Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to address how to easily turn on game mode in AOC monitor. So in order to do it, you need to go to the extra settings in the monitor menu and you need to reset everything. After that, your game mode will start working. I think this happened because of the modified overdrive mode and hope this helped. So let's just see. This person is saying that it worked for me, but this person is saying that it didn't work. So we just try to find out some of the other methods as well. This person is saying if anyone finding the solution for this, you need to turn off HDR. This is the solution. Once you turn off HDR, the game settings become available. So you just have to simply do these steps. The probe is once you turned off HDR, the pictures is not as sharp as bright as it becomes cloudy. Anyone can help. So let's just see. So just got an AOC monitor. I turned on gaming mode 3 along with some other settings. Overdrive, strong, DCR, brightness up, better looking in what I play, but I have to take some time to adjust it. A little bit more better looking than the HDR was for me anyways. So here they have also mentioned you some of the instructions which you can follow. You can take a screenshot of it, or I will put the link of this post down in the description for better understanding of yours. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.